Hi everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. Today I have a new box, at least it's the new box for me, but this is going to be a little different type of unboxing. Reason being is I filmed this video last week when I actually did the unboxing. But what I did was I made the mistake. I was wearing a shirt that was branded, showing my employer, and I can't have that out there. So I tried to do editing of the video myself to kind of, um, you know, get the branding off because it was on the sleeve and I just could not do it. So I am kind of splicing, mushing this video together for you because I still want to show the box. I still want to share the items with you. Reason being is I was contacted by Drape Fit to see if I wanted a box sent to me for review. And of course I did. So they sent me the box and I'm going to share with you my review of that today and share the items with you. So I want to give you a little bit of information about the company first. So the company is called Drape Fit. And what you do is you go on their site, you complete a quiz, a style quiz, and then you can order your own fit. You have 5 days to try the items. If you keep all of the items, which are supposed to be 5 items in your box, if you keep all of them, you get 25% off. There are free shipping to you, free returns. What does it cost you? There is a $20 styling fee to get the box sent to you. The items in the box are reasonably priced. They say they're between $20 and $60. But I will say the items that I received were less than that. So I'll talk about that here in a second with you. You can get one of these fits sent to you monthly, quarterly, or every other month. What's nice is they don't just have fits for women, they also have fits for kids and men. And they do have sizes for all shapes. I have got a $10 promo code for you to use if you would like to order your first box. You can find that that code below. I do want to disclose that I did not work with my stylist for this first box. That is on me. I will not repeat that. I will work with my stylist moving forward. All I did was complete the quiz. So I do want to state that. So let's check the items out. So the first item that is shown here are boho raffia earrings. They're priced at $19.99. I do think that's a little bit pricey for these earrings. The earrings themselves, they're just not my style. I chose not to keep these. The second item has 3/4 sleeves and it is a V-neck. The pattern itself, though, is just, it's too old for me. This shirt is too old for me. The size is a 12 large. So I would have wanted a smaller size here, but it's hard to get appropriate sizes when you are not seeing the person in person. Now the pricing for this shirt I thought was spot on. It was only $28.50. So if this is your style, I think that's a great price. The third item shown here is a shirt in the color eggplant. It does have ruffles on the sleeves. It also has a V-neck. The size here is 10. Now, this item, it's also not me. It's just not my style. So I chose not to keep it either, but it is reasonably priced, again, at $28.50. The fourth item in the box here, you can see, is another shirt. It also is not my style, and the pattern I do not like. The sleeves themselves, kind of like a little cuffed sleeve, and you can also see up on the top here that it is pleated. So it does have a little style to it, but not my style, but again, reasonably priced at $28.50. This last item is a pair of jeans. What I thought interesting is the size on the tag says size 8, but the size inside the jean are a size 7. Not sure. But the brand of the jean is Vintage Famous, I believe, or Vintage Almost Famous. These jeans, way too ripped for me. Too exposed. As you can see in the pictures, the rips go almost all the way up to the top of the jeans. If you put your hands down, you can see your fingers stick through way up by the pockets. So the rips were just too high for me. However, the price on these jeans I thought was very well, and they were a very nice material. These jeans were priced at $34.99. Now, if you were to keep all items in this box, again, you get 25% off already reasonable priced items. So if you keep everything with tax, it would have been $112.74. So for a pair of jeans, 3 tops, and a pair of earrings, I think that's a pretty good deal, you guys. So what am I going to do? I am sending all the items back in the box. However, I am going to order another style for next month. The difference is this time I'm going to work with my stylist, because I think this box is reasonably priced. I would say for probably 75% of the population. What's going to be challenging here, which is challenging with every single box out there, is hitting on your style, hitting the clothes that you like. That's hard for all of them. But this box, it is reasonably priced. So if you're interested, I do have a promo code for $10 off, so you could get your first box for only $10. So you guys, it's worth a try, right? What does it hurt? It's only $10. And you might find some items that are right up your alley. So thank you everyone for spending some more time with me here today, and can't wait to talk to you again in the future. Bye everyone.